don't want that type of clout. I don't want niggas to think that I'm talking to other niggas' business out here.
That's cool, bro.
So when I tell you your clout on YouTube ain't got shit to do with Dallas business.
You see that?
Nigga, when I tell you your YouTube ain't got shit to do with Dallas business,
but you see,
I don't say that. But see. Now you're getting emotional. But see, now you're getting emotional.
You're over talking.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Ratchet.
You just keep over talking.
I'm sorry, Mr. Ratchet. Are you getting emotional now? Are you getting emotional now?
Can I talk now?
Yes, you can. Go ahead. This is your platform. I appreciate you letting me come on.
All right, so check this out. I'm trying to explain this to you, bro. Like, you're a nobody. Now, I'm saying it respectfully. No, look at me. I'm saying it respectfully. Nobody fucking knows you. You got zero clout. No one knows you. So you.
But why do I want clout?
I just want to finish talking, bro. Let me just finish talking.
Bro, you done stressed that nigga out so bad. That nigga done smoked the goddamn blood.
Look,
I've been smoking.
No. Check this out. You just talk. You talk a lot. You know what I'm saying?
You think so?
Yeah, you talk a lot. You over talk.
You didn't Google my name. You see, I'm about action.
Okay, Googling me and Googling you will get two different.
It don't matter. When you Google me, it's about action. When they Google you, it's about talking shit.
When they Google me, it's about numbers.
See, I don't talk.
You know what I'm saying? Come on.
But see, I don't talk. This is the most talking I'm gonna do to you about
Big Bang. Since you want to take it about money, right? You start talking about money.
Let's go.
Big Bang take Little Bang.
Let's go.
You want to play that game?
Let's go.
You want to sign off on that and be for real?
Let's go. What you want to do? You said we talking about boxing. How much you want to put up?
No. You just told me about money.
Set it up. Set it up.
Big Bang gonna take Little Bang.
Nigga, don't try to deter from the conversation, nigga. You know what Ratchet about to say, nigga.
He want to talk money? See, but this is the thing.
You brought it up.
You're talking about clout. The only clout that I care about.
You said
what you don't understand. I'm a grown ass man. I don't. You worried about what these fans got to say.
Against my check.
No, see, there's a difference. There's a difference. You're worried about what these fans got to say. I don't give a fuck about your fans
right now.
I don't give a fuck about your fans. Set up the date. Set the date up.
Hold on, be quiet, bro.
You care about your fans. I don't give a fuck about your fans.
Let me interrupt. Hold on.
Go ahead.
Let me talk, bro. Let me talk. Bruh, it gotta matter what the fans think, bro, because they're gonna be the ones who watching. Think about it, bro.
No one's coming to see you.
You think so?
Hold on, man.
I'm pretty sure I can get more niggas in the city to come out than you.
How many niggas showed up here last night? How many niggas showed up here last night?
I didn't box.
How many niggas showed up with you?
But I knew every motherfucker that was there.
How many niggas showed up with you?
I knew every motherfucker that was there. I didn't fight. What you're not understanding is I did not fight.
Nobody.
Exactly. Did I fight last night?
Come on. Hey, who gonna bring more people in? Who gonna bring more people out?
But when I pulled up, hold on. But David, when I pulled up to the face-off, I pulled up by myself, did I not? And I spoke with everybody that was in the building, did I not?
Put your name on the headline and see how.
Hold on, did I not? How about this? When I showed up to the fight last night, I knew everybody in the building. I fucked with everybody in the building, even the people that was fighting.
Now that you're talking ignorant, I want 80% of it. Whatever the fuck we discuss, I want 80%.
You don't get 80%. Nah, we gon'. Nigga, I don't, because honestly speaking, the only reason why I know you, fam.
I don't want to cut you off the line.
No,
listen. I don't want to cut you off the line, bro. I don't want to cut you off. All right, so check this out. We're going to do it like this. The next event, you headline it. Let's see what numbers it does. Next event, I headline it. Let's see the numbers it does. When we come back,
it don't matter.
And I want my 80%.
No, because I don't want to fight nobody else. I want to fight you.
I don't want to fight you. I want 80%.
No, because what you don't understand is you from Dallas, right? Can I ask a question? Are you from the city?
Why would I waste my time?
Can I ask a question? Are you from the city?
You know where the fuck I'm from.
Are you from the city?
You know me.
I don't know you. I don't know you like that. I only know you because you gossip about me. I don't know you because
next question. Next question.
Hey, y'all heard that? Y'all heard that shit? Well, that popcorn be letting you know.
I'm saying, I don't know you personally. I don't know where you from.
You know me though. You know me.
All you bloggers that
I ain't a blogger.
popped up.
I'm not a blogger.
You're definitely a blogger, fam.
Definitely not a blogger.
You're definitely a blogger, fam.
Bloggers don't do what I do. What is a blogger?
Okay, what do you do? Gossip about other niggas' business.
What is a blogger?
You gossip about other niggas' business, and then when niggas get on your live that got some name, you get hype.
What are you trying to sell here? Because I ain't buying it.
I'm not selling anything.
I still want 80%. So what's the point?
Again, Like I said,
You're
I don't care about all that.
Okay, so
again, if you're from Dallas,
me, agree
hey, David, can I ask you a question?
No,
David, you're from the city, right?
Answer this. Will you fight me and I'll take 80%? Next hole I win.
Nah, you don't get 80%. What I look like? Do I look like a dumb motherfucker?
Yeah, you do.
No, I'm smarter than you.
Business with me. You trying to do business
I'm smart.
with me.
I'm not trying to do business with you. I'm doing business with the V.
You can't afford me.
But guess what? I'm doing business with the V. If the V wants to pay you 80% of the purse, if the V wants to pay you 80% of the purse, he can. I don't have to have a dime to whip your ass, fam. That's what you don't understand. I don't need your money. I don't need your money, fam.
Your rent won't even cover me.
Go ahead.
Your whatever you pay for rent at your crib
I
won't
hear
even
you.
afford me. That
I hear you.
Out my house.
Sounds good, fam. It sounds real good. It sounds real good.
Because I make more money in my sleep.
You think so?
Yes.
It sounds good, right?
Yes.
It sounds good, but it don't bother me.
You still
don't know why it don't bother me?
Because
I'm from the city.
You got emotions like my fucking
and when you from the city,
you remind me of my fucking baby mama, nigga.
What's going on, David?
You remind me of my fucking baby mama.
Hold on, Ratchet. Roger.
Go ahead, sir.
Without you cut him off, Keith. Without you cut him off, Ratchet. Why do you think that you can get a ring with him and your clout is going to match his clout?
I'm not worried about clout about getting in the ring.
No, hold on.
No, I'm not trying to match.
It gotta be a yes. Hold on, fam. Hold on.
No. I'm not gonna say.
Hold on. I ain't cut y'all up. If y'all was to fight, this gotta make sense, bro. Mm-hmm. So I'm not knocking you. I'm just going to let you speak so you can explain to me and explain to everybody else why would this fight make sense? What do you have to offer to where Ratchet not on your level or you not on Ratchet level? How are y'all equal to make this fight make sense? Let me know. What can you do that he can't do besides knowing how to fight?
I can put my money up.
You wasting my time, bro.
I ain't David, you know me for a while. I ain't never been no nigga that ain't gonna have no money. I'm gonna go get that money.
Put his money up.
I'll put my money up.
I guess that's what y'all got in common.
But like I said, to me, Ratchet TV is all about clout. Again, I didn't know who he was until somebody said, "Man, check this dude out. He talking about the Mo3 situation."
But you know who I am.
Me being from the crew.
Hold on.
Go ahead.
Somebody said Mayweather and Jake Paul or Logan Paul, whatever, wasn't equal. Yes, they were.
That was very equal.
It made sense view-wise. But next.
Oh, it say,
Logan
you are a guy. That's what's on my mirror. It say, you are a guy. So I look at that every time I go, before I walk out the door.
Look, man.
Nah, I mean, somebody in your comments asked, what does it say back there? It says, you are a guy.
No, I'm just saying.
And I treat like you.
Hey,
as
somebody
a man,
say Ratchet always get mad and want to take people off when they don't agree. I have to agree
I respect the man. No,
Ratchet do like taking people out when they don't agree.
No, real talk. Ratchet could have kicked me off when he kicked the other guy off. He really could have.
I'm saying Ratchet do.
So I respect him for letting me pop my shit. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, he good.
But at the end of the day,
I'm still beating his ass though. But
you think so? Yeah. It sounds real good coming out your mouth.
But this don't make sense though.
Hey,
you know
just set the date and I'll tighten you up a little bit, fam. That's it. Just a little bit. I'll touch you up a little bit.
I want 80%, or I'm just gonna find something better.
I mean, if you win, you can get 80%.
No. I'm coming in the door.
How about this? If you win, you can get 100% of the purse.
I
want to sign off on 80%.
No, why you want to sign up on 80? Because you know if you get in there, you get dropped, you get 80. How about you take the whole purse?
And Most Hated Blogger, or Ratchet and Polar Bear, something like that. If it ain't something alone, like something like that, to me, it ain't gonna make sense.
You're right.
Hold on. Let me see. David, can I ask a question?
You not gonna make sense for me, bro. We can't sell no tickets, bro. Me and you can't sell no tickets, bro.
Man, my hustle is way. Boy, you don't understand.
You don't understand.
You don't understand.
There's no build around that fight.
You think it's no build around that fight because I'm not on the internet like you. I'm not on the internet like
so
you.
I need a nigga that's on the internet.
So what
like
I'm telling you is, when the V's talking about ticket sales, nigga, I get it out the mud. I don't know about you. I don't gossip about nigga shit. So when I say nigga, the tickets will get sold, nigga, I get out here and get the tickets sold.
I'd rather fight that nigga than fight you.
What you're not understanding is your clout is on the internet. My clout is in the real world. Nigga, I get out here and I get those tickets sold.
So go fight a nigga out there. Go fight a nigga in the real world.
No, but you don't want us talking about niggas' business. So let's talk about it.
What does that have to do with you? What does that have to do with you?
Again, let's get in the ring. You think that I can't sell no tickets? I probably don't sell more tickets than you.
Okay, so go sell tickets and you go fight another street nigga. Go fight another street nigga.
It don't
Y'all
matter.
go sell tickets and have a great fight.
I guess, dog.
Tell me how that works out for you, and tell me how much money that makes you.
It's all about principle with me. Like, nigga, you blew up off of talking about everybody else's business.
Who gives a fuck how I blew up? I'm here.
Again. So that's how. But you care. You care how you blew up because the only thing you talking about is your internet following. That's all you talking about. But how many niggas in the city just gonna pull up for you?
You sound jealous, bro.
How many niggas is gonna pull up?
You sound jealous, bro.
How many, nigga? You can say whatever, but I can get active too.
But you sound jealous, bro. We all can.
I'm not jealous. What am I jealous of, my nigga? You don't look better than me. You're a little nigga.
God, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Any bitch you ever
your grill is fucked. You know what I'm saying?
Any bitch you ever fucked with gonna fuck Ratchet. Period.
You think so? Never. The bitches that I fuck with would never fuck with you, fam.
Now let me.
You wanna know? Hold on. You wanna know how I tell you? You wanna know why I know that my females wouldn't fuck with you?
Let me embarrass you, bitch. Let me embarrass you. Pull your
Go ahead, embarrass you.
And I'll pull my account. If you within $3,000 of me, I'll cash you $1,500 right now. Pull your bank account out. Push it. Now pull your bank account out. Pussy.
It sound good.
Shut your
but
broke
you
ass
see how he's switching up?
You live with your baby mama.
I live by myself, my guy.
You live with your baby mama, nigga.
No, nigga. My baby mama live in California. I live by myself, my guy.
You drive a baby mama car too.
Probably so. Yeah. It's paid for though.
You drive a baby mama car.
You pay a note. So that's money out the door.
I do. I got more money than you.
That's you can believe that.
I got more money than you.
You can believe that.
You ain't even got $5.
But guess what? How do you go from setting up the date? Now we want to talk about money. Now you want to talk about clout. Hold on, my guy. You said put the money up. I said I will bet you whatever you want to bet. And now you know about. Well, it's not enough clout. Nigga, you dance. Okay, bro. Hey, Davi, I didn't sign up for.
And keep my dick out your mouth.
Davi, I didn't sign up to tango, fam.
Keep my dick out your mouth, pussy ass nigga.